Benny the Blue Jay loved to squawk. One morning, he saw a little squirrel drop a big nut. "Butterfingers," Benny teased. The sad little squirrel ran away. Benny's mom landed next to him. "Benny," she said gently, "if you can't say something nice, don't say anything at all." Later, Benny saw a big bear trying to dance. He wobbled and looked very silly. Benny opened his beak to laugh. He wanted to say the bear looked like a giant jelly bean, remembered his mom's words. Snap! He zipped his beak shut, thought of something nice to say instead. "Good effort," Benny chirped. The bear smiled a huge smile. "Thanks, Benny." Making a friend felt much better than making fun.